So, no sniffing, coughing, body sounds, slurping coffee, no politically incorrect words, swearing, no topics that are taboo, and don't let your stomach growl. Check. Are we ready? Okay. Oh, we're already recording.
Yeah, spring has sprung, ladies and gentlemen. The clocks are going forward this weekend.
Oh, tonight. Spring forward, fall back.
That's right, tonight's Saturday, isn't it?
We've put the lye water solution into our oils. And what is everybody doing today? I've got a daughter flying in from Calgary. Can't wait to see her. I've got a son coming home on a day pass. And he's not going to mind me saying this because he has a YouTube channel about mental health. He's in a long-term care assessment center and he's doing very well. And his channel is called Gabriel the Warrior. There's a couple of channels called that. So it's the one with the blue wolf, if you want to check it out. He's very honest
and
open about his mental health.
He's wrote some books as well, ladies and gentlemen.
He's wrote some books. He sings a song on his channel. He's got no shame in his game. So go give him some support. I'm sure most of you can relate and know somebody with mental health problems. And it's a lot of hard work and I'm really proud of him. But yes, my daughter's coming home from Calgary. What else we got? Okay, so here I'm separating the whole batch. I poured off the piping. And because I can't, it's just too much for me to weigh things out. I just eyeball. And I'm splitting off the batch here into two. And 1/3 of it is going to be looking like a cupcake liner. And it's going to be blue. Because these are raspberry cupcakes. So I'm just mixing that blue up real good there. But yeah, let us know. What are you doing? It's Saturday.
I reckon they're all getting geared up for spring now and going to start sorting out yard sales and all that.
Oh, yard sales.
Checking the wardrobes out and see what nice spring and summer clothes they can wear.
Yeah, we're looking forward to camping. We just bought a new dinghy and didn't realize it was 12 feet long, but that's okay. I think I add some titanium dioxide to this because I'm a little concerned about the yellow tone of the batter making the blue green, right? Makes sense.
It's like a turquoisey greeny blue.
Yeah, we've got to get it back to blue, so I think I add some TD here. Let's see. And we want it thick. Well, there goes 1/3 of the scent and kaolin clay, and yes, there goes the TD. So let's get it a little bit thickish. I'm going to do a trick with this bottom layer. You'll see that coming up. It's sunny here today and -7 degrees, but it looks like starting Monday we have no negative degrees anymore whatsoever.
Yeah, it's been a bloody long winter, hasn't it?
Has sprung. Let's see. Stirringtoomuch.com. Yeah, tell us, what do you do with your Saturdays? Very curious. Here comes the pour. Do you have family dinners? Do you just take the time to relax by yourself? So I let this harden up for a little bit, this bottom layer. Well, I don't usually show myself scraping my dishes.
Every dime, every cent worth of soap going in there.
Yes. But I usually edit that out.
The first time for everything, isn't there? That's what they say.
That's why this video is a little bit longer. I was trying to figure that out. Tap, tap, tap. Here we go. So it's hardened up, and you can make any shape you want out of a piece of cardboard. And watch this cool little trick. Remember, we're trying to make a cupcake shaped design in it. Look at how the soap just curled right up for me. Uh-oh. I left my phone on, another boo-boo. Nothing important, is it?
Cake wishing Cheryl happy birthday.
Oh, okay. So, here's our raspberry cupcake colors. Yeah, happy birthday, Cheryl. That's my son's girl. There goes the, oh, no. Sorry, guys. Hi, Gabe. I'm just narrating right now. Can I call you back?
Yeah, I just have a question. What time is Gary going to be here?
10 o'clock.
No, I'm going to be there before. I've got
Before
to go to
10.
the ward.
Before 10.
Like, quarter two?
No, about 5 to.
Okay.
Okay, see you soon. Love you.
What?
See you soon. Love you.
See you soon, love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Sorry, guys.
Told him that.
Turn my phone off.
I told him before,
It's
I'll
okay,
be at
it's
the hospital
okay.
at 1:45.
Let's get back to the soap. That was so silly.
Anyway, that looks like a strawberry trifle now, that cream
Well,
and the red.
it's raspberry, but close enough.
Raspberry trifle, yeah.
Those colors look identical, but trust me, they're not.
Anyway, I was going to say that little inventive tip there of using cardboard to shape something to make your soap a bit more creative.
Well, you can buy things for that, but
you
I
can
keep...
make your own out of nothing, can't you? So there's a money saving tip if you're on a budget, right?
Right, but you can buy them fairly cheap, but I keep hearing people say that they're flimsy, and I think they're called cake scrapers if you want to buy them on Amazon. But why not just measure out a piece of cardboard, make sure it's clean, of course, and make your own shapes. So here we go. We've got a light pink raspberry color and a darker one, and I should have just whizzed it up, but I'm hand stirring here, unfortunately. I could have sped that up, I guess. Now you can see the color differences.
It's almost like a salmony pink, that, isn't it?
It is, yeah. I can make a salmon soap with that. No. But I do love the colors.
Why not? Why can't you make a salmon soap?
I could. Somebody told me my dried leaves made out of soap dough look like fish once, so I could make a salmon soap. Let's pour that on our bottom layer very carefully. Please don't show me scraping out the whole thing.
Anybody from the UK, tell me that looks a little bit like... Do you remember blancmange that we used to have at school?
What is that?
Looks like blancmange pudding, that.
What's blancmange?
It's like a pudding which is thick.
It's not custard, is it? I have an issue with
No, it was a
custard.
pudding that was thick and pink. It was nice actually. A lot of people didn't like it.
Was it flavored like...
The flavours in it, but that was the
Raspberry
colour, yeah.
or-
Yeah, strawberry, raspberry for blancmange, yeah.
Okay.
Not seen that for a generation.
As you can see, I've got some unmixed color. Can you see it on top? That is going to cause us a little bit of glycerin riverage. And there goes the darker pink. But the glycerin rivers actually look pretty cool in this. By the way, if you go to fruitsofaloon.com, go to the menu, shop handmade soap, and then pre-order section. We now have a pre-order section, so you can pre-order this soap, and there's 4 of them I think now, and they all ship out at different dates, and you can take advantage of the 50% off section while you're there. Get your hands on it before everybody else does. Here we go with the piping. Let's see. I still haven't bought a new stick blender, and I remembered why when I pulled this one out of the cupboard. Why it's not suitable is because the shaft of it is too short. Right? For a deep soap.
I don't know, I don't use it.
It'll do for now, but I still need to order a nice colorful one. So let's hope the sun stays out today. Some pink drizzle for our piping. There we go. We're almost at the piping point of things.
So you know my mission is to find a used blender from Value Village.
No, you won't find one because
Save some dollars.
if they're in Value Village, there's probably something wrong with them. There's our piping, and I can't remember the name of this piping tip, but I really can't remember. I just look at them and decide I want them. I should be more a little smarter with that. So, do you see how the pink's coming out on the piping right now?
Yeah.
It stops doing that, and I don't know why.
Just run out of pink.
Well, no, it's still on the sides of the bag. So if anybody knows why that's not coming out, let me know. Very strange. I think it might be the first time that's happened. To me. I don't see any pink, do you? Oh, squishy, squishy piping. Sparkle mix. Biodegradable.
This is the best bit of this, the sparkle mix.
I love the sparkle mix. And now we got to put a ton of soap dough raspberries on. So we'll speed that up for you guys just a little bit. I hope. Please tell me I sped it up. Oh, I did. I did. It's so hard to put them on without getting your fingers in the soap dough and then getting, or the piping, and then getting the piping onto the raspberry.
Yeah, this
with
is
these
why
clumsy gloves. Yeah. Clumsy gloves that are too long for my fingers, but if I go from small to extra small, they're too tight. So I just can't win. So there we have it. The raspberries are on. And I ended up with 9 bars instead of 10 again, so I don't know what I'm doing wrong there. But these bars will be a little thicker than the usual. And there's a close-up. Let's get to that cutting.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. And now what? Now I want a trifle.
Let's get to cutting. Boom. There we go. I cut out some of the cutting for you guys because I noticed in my analytics that a lot of people drop off after the first. There's our cupcake shape. Do you see that at the bottom? Yeah. It works. So try it. Cut some cardboard out. You can kind of see some glycerin rivers. But they, you know, they don't hurt.
They've got a good pattern there, eh?
Yeah.
Work of it.
Glycerin rivers are harmless. They just make a really cool kind of design. But yeah, try the cardboard trick. I'm going to do it again. But yeah, I did cut out some of the cutting because I noticed you guys drop off after the first couple of bars, especially if they all look the same, right? Makes sense. I think I cut out some of the cutting. Just hang in there with us, guys, because you want to see the pictures at the end. I thought I cut out some of the cutting. So there's a close-up. Little cupcakes. Raspberries on top. And I did not, well, no, I didn't cut out some of the cutting. It must have been a dream.
Yeah, well, it's you can always fast forward anyway, but you know.
I swear I will do that next time because a lot of these drop off, which affects the old analytics. And there's a brace of soaps. And there's the tops.
Beautiful
and
pictures.
As usual, we love you. If you like our videos, subscribe, hit that like button, and the notification bell, and we'll see you next Saturday.
So let us know, people,
Have
what
a
you've been up
wonderful
to.
weekend. Yeah.
Let us know what you've been up to and what your plans are for spring and summer. Bye, bye, bye.